So I'm repairing this wing, and I thought I'd just share a tip with you, something that might help you when you're repairing complex damage. So something that's quite big, that's taken a lot of effort to repair. Sometimes it can get a bit confusing when you're getting so deep into the looking into the reflection. So let me show you what I do to help my repairs. Look at this area just underneath the body line. You can see it's a bit wiggly. Okay. And sometimes when you're repairing something like this for quite a few hours, it can get a little bit monotonous, and it can get quite annoying. So what I tend to do is break it down into sections like that. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just repair this area here, and then I'll move along, and I'll move along like that. So it might sound like it's, you know, a beginner kind of step, but like I say, this really does help me out when I'm sort of like struggling a little bit with my repair. So that is my free quick tip, and I hope it helps somebody, another dent tech out there, if you're struggling with your repair.